I congratulate the organizers. The Satara Hill Marathon, I've heard it's a fantastic experience, and congratulations on the Guinness record. I'd like to congratulate PNB MetLife as well, because it is interest from the corporates that will eventually grow the whole activity of running in the country. And as we heard, the numbers are very encouraging. Even though India doesn't have a culture of regular exercise, sport, fitness activities, running has really taken off in the last decade or so. And today we see in almost every city, there are some official runs happening, 10K, half marathons, full marathons, 5Ks, which is really, really fantastic. Because we know that there are a couple of sports which are very, very highly watched in the world, but running is the biggest participatory sport. So nobody likes to watch running. Running is boring to watch. You can't really watch it on television, but it can change your life if you do it. And you can do it alone. You can do it anywhere. You don't really need any equipment, any infrastructure. It's the easiest sport to pick up that can really make you healthy, make you fit, and make you happy. So it's really great that a lot of corporates are coming across and wanting to promote running. And again, thank you very much to PNB MetLife for associating with the Satara Hill Marathon. I hope I can make it this year. I've been wanting to. I have to, right? No, I'd love to. I'd love to be a part of it. And of course, I think every year they're going to be breaking this Guinness record. No? Maybe not doubling it. You can kind of stretch it out as long as you want. Yeah, I know. But it's better to break it in small stages every year than keep breaking it for 20 years. Yeah. But anyway, good to be here again, and I hope that they will, and I'm sure they will inspire other corporates to come across and sponsor more and more events in not just the metros, not in just Bombay, Delhi, Bangalore and Chennai, but also in smaller towns like Satara. That's where it's needed. And there are a lot of people who are interested in running there. And we know that maybe the groups are still small, but you need races like this to actually create the excitement that and that becomes an opportunity for people to run regularly, because we know that anything that you want to do for health and fitness has to be done regularly. The main thing about exercise, the main thing about sport is it has to be regular. So it's events like these that actually encourage the community and encourage new runners to become regular at the sport. So thank you once again, and I hope I can make it on the 18th of September. Thank you.
Thanks, Milind. We surely are looking forward to see you on 18th of September. May I now invite Gulpana to share her association and how MobiFit is going to help us promote this further. Gul, please.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to thank you for taking out your time. It's quite an order in the afternoon, and members of the media have other events to go to. So I'd like to really thank you for taking out time, because I think your being here is an immense show of support to what we're doing here, and I'm grateful for that. I'd like to take forward what Mr. Chugh just spoke of, that PNB MetLife speaks of fiscal fitness. And there can be really no fiscal fitness without physical fitness. If you're going to be able to pad up your financial wealth and yet have that entire wealth be drained because you've fallen prey to lifestyle diseases like type 2 diabetes or hypertension or obesity, there really is no point in having that wealth. So I think it's a fantastic association that PNB MetLife has with the Satara Hill Half Marathon. We at MobiFit are very excited to be the technology and the running partner of this wonderful event. MobiFit is a technology company that makes fitness apps. Our first app, MobiFit Run, which has been rebranded from First Run, is India's highest downloaded health and fitness app on the Google Play Store. 3 lakh Indians have already downloaded MobiFit Run, and together have run over 1 lakh kilometers in less than 1 year of us having launched. We launched first run, what is now MobiFit Run, last year in May. So we've been very grateful to our user base for having made us grow and made the entire running ecosystem grow the way it has. And what we're very excited about is that not only can you register for the half marathon via the MobiFit Run app, you can also use the MobiFit Run app to train better. Typically, all of us run because everybody has different reasons for running, but all of us collectively run because at the end of a run, no matter how long your run is, whether it's 20 minutes or it's half an hour or it's like Milind, which is about 8 hours, you feel great at the end of this run. And I think Milind is living proof of what running can do. I mean, I've known Milind for over 10 years and he has been a runner all these years. And I think we at MobiFit are also delighted to have Milind on board as one of our chief running icons. And I think what's really important here is that running a marathon or a half marathon or any competitive event, whether it's a 10K event or a 5K event, it makes your training more goal-oriented. It's great to have dreams, but those dreams don't take you anywhere unless they become goals. And running events like marathons, half marathons, 10K events give shape to your running regimen.